If you're over 60, your muscles might be shrinking quietly every single day. Not because you're lazy, but because one critical nutrient is missing from your routine. And here's the shocking part. It's not a pill. It's not a protein shake. It's an ice cube. Doctors now say that one frozen cube a day, made from something you already have in your kitchen, can support muscle strength, joint flexibility, and even skin health. So before you drink anything else tomorrow morning, you'll want to see what's inside this cube. Stay tuned. We'll show you exactly how to make it and how it helps fight muscle loss after 60. The Collagen Cube explained. It might look like just a frozen broth cube, but inside this little square is one of the most powerful muscle-protecting nutrients, collagen. Collagen is the protein that holds your body together in your skin, joints, and most importantly, your muscles. After 60, your body stops making enough of it. That's when you start feeling weaker, slower, stiffer. But here's the good news. By sipping just one cube of homemade bone broth each day, rich in natural collagen, you can give your muscles the building blocks they've been missing. It's like giving your body the scaffolding to rebuild strength from the inside out. And you don't need fancy supplements. Just simmer bones with water, vinegar, and herbs. Then freeze it into cubes. Drop one into hot water in the morning or stir it into your lunch soup. That's it. No pills, no powders, just real food in frozen form. Why it works so well after 60. After 60, your body is still capable of building and repairing muscle. But it doesn't happen like it used to. Your digestive enzymes slow down, your gut becomes more sensitive, and even when you eat enough protein, your body may struggle to absorb it fully. That's where collagen from bone broth makes all the difference. Unlike regular meat proteins, collagen is already pre-broken into gelatin, which means your older gut doesn't have to work as hard to digest it. But it's what collagen contains that makes it so powerful. It's packed with glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, amino acids that directly support muscle repair, joint lubrication, tendon and ligament strength, and even skin elasticity and gut health. Yes, all from one little cube. And here's something most people don't know. Studies show that collagen supports deep sleep by increasing natural serotonin and glycine levels. And deeper sleep means better muscle recovery, sharper brain function, and lower inflammation the next day. So while your morning coffee wakes you up, a collagen cube silently gets to work healing your body from the inside out. That stiffness in your knees, that nagging muscle soreness after a walk, that unsteady feeling when getting out of bed, a daily dose of collagen may not erase it overnight. But over time, it can become your secret weapon for aging strong, not fragile. No pills, no powders, just a slow-simmered, nutrient-packed cube right in your freezer. How to make your own collagen cube at home. Don't worry, you don't need to be a chef. You just need a few basic ingredients and a little patience. Here's how to turn scraps into a superfood cube for your muscles. Start with bones. Chicken bones, beef marrow bones, or even fish bones. The secret? Use bones with joints and cartilage. That's where the collagen hides. Then add 1 chopped onion, a few carrots, and celery stalks. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This pulls the collagen out of the bones. Optional, a small piece of ginger or turmeric root for extra anti-inflammatory power. Cover it all with water in a big pot or slow cooker. Bring it to a gentle simmer, not a boil. And let it go for at least 12 hours or even 24 hours for max extraction. Yes, it's slow. But what you're creating is liquid gold for your body after 60. Once it's done, strain the broth. Let it cool. Then pour it into an ice cube tray and freeze. And just like that, you've got collagen cubes ready to drop into hot water, soup, or tea every morning. No mess, no fuss, just healing in every sip. And if that sounds like too much work, no problem. In the next section, I'll show you what to look for in store-bought collagen and what mistakes to avoid that waste your money and sabotage your results. What to look for and what to avoid in store-bought collagen. If homemade broth isn't your thing, don't worry. You can still get the benefits of collagen, but only if you choose the right kind. Here's what to look for. Hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides. This means it's already broken down, so your body can absorb it easily. Type 1 and Type 3 collagen. These are especially important for muscles, skin, and bones after 60. No added sugar. Many flavored powders sneak in sweeteners that spike your blood sugar. Third-party tested, so you know it's safe, clean, and actually contains what it says on the label. Now what to avoid? Collagen with mystery ingredients like natural flavors or fillers. They dilute the benefits. Cheap blends with barely any collagen. Some powders contain more additives than active ingredients. Collagen combined with caffeine. Yes, it exists, and it can actually reduce the absorption of amino acids in older adults. And one more tip, liquid collagen drinks in plastic bottles, skip them. They often degrade in quality and are overpriced for what you get. So whether you're sipping a homemade cube or adding a scoop to your morning tea, make sure your collagen is working with you, not against you. Let's wrap it up simply. Just one collagen cube a day can support your muscles, joints, and even your skin, especially after 60. Why does it work so well? Because it gives your body the exact building blocks it needs to stay strong and flexible, right when your natural collagen starts to decline. And the best part? It takes less than 10 seconds a day. Drop your cube into your morning coffee or herbal tea, a warm glass of lemon water, or stir it into your lunch soup. No pills, no fancy supplements, just real food frozen smart. Prefer a shortcut? Use a clean collagen powder, hydrolyzed, no sugar, no additives. One scoop into a warm drink, done. Simple, natural, powerful. So tomorrow morning, give yourself an edge. Start with your cube. Your muscles and your energy will thank you. If this was helpful, tap like, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with someone over 60 who wants to stay strong without the stress. You don't need to do more, just do what works. And sometimes that's as easy as one ice cube a day.